Hello, hola. Welcome to my channel, English in Spanish. My name is Evie Brown, and in this channel, we are going to be learning English in Spanish. In this channel, we're going to be learning really basic English. We're going to start from the basics, from zero. Okay, so if there's anyone out there who speaks Spanish, who's Hispanic, and who wants to practice their English from zero, from ground level, this is the channel for you. So in this first English lesson, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in English, how to make a very simple and basic introduction in English. Vamos a practicar cómo hacer una presentación. So this is how it goes. This is how you can introduce yourself in English. This is how you can make a simple introduction. Un presentación muy básico y muy simple. And so when you are introducing yourself, cuando tú estás haciendo una presentación, hay ciertas cosas que tienes que decir, ¿vale? For learning purposes, there are some things that you need to say in your introduction so that you could practice the vocabulary and all that. So you could talk about your name, tu nombre. You could talk about your age, tu edad. You could talk about your country, tu país. You could talk about where you live, your city, tu ciudad. You could talk about your job, tu trabajo. You could also talk about your hobbies, tus pasatiempos. Hello. Hola. Nice to meet you. Encantada de conocerte. My name is Evie Brown. Me llamo Evie Brown. I'm from Spain. Soy de España. I live in Madrid. Vivo en Madrid. I'm 25 years old. Tengo 25 años. I'm an English teacher. Soy profesora de inglés. My hobbies are singing, going for a walk with my dog, and swimming. Mis pasatiempos or mis aficiones, this depends where you're from. If you're from Latin America or you're from Spain, Spanish is quite different in different regions. Mis pasatiempos son cantar, paseando con mi perro y nadando o nadar. If you are getting any value from this, or if you are enjoying the video, please do click the like button and also subscribe to my channel.